our 3-barrel beverage dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 33 3/4 inches, a depth 13.5 inches, height 22.5 inches tall. Coming to the left, center, and right are our waistbands to be removed, and the measurements for each will include 8.5 inches in length by 4.5 inches in depth. Each barrel will include the expense nozzles, top cap that can be removed, the O-ring that's holding the center pipe that can also be removed. Measurement for the center pipe will include 2.5 inches in radius by 10.25 inches in height. Measurements for the barrel, we have 8.5 inches in radius by 10.25 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the left, center, and right barrel. Components can be removed and inserted back into each barrel. Last but not least, jug can be removed for easy cleaning.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part.